Hey guys, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I'm going to show you something exciting which I always keep on talking about. There are things that work at certain time, strategies that works at certain point and fails at certain point. So I have cracked down at the recent time there is a strategy that is working very much. So I'm going to show you by making few trades with that strategy. So you always keep in mind, no matter whichever strategy you use, whichever indicator you use, it doesn't work for all of the time. Okay, and for this strategy you need to use non-OTC currency pair. That means it shouldn't have OTC in the side. Okay, so make all of this currency pair favorite, that is non-OTC, so that it appears at here. And always remember, whichever strategy you use, whichever indicator you use, it is not going to work for 100% of the time. So you need to be able to find out at what time, at what point, which strategy is working. So it is always a good idea to test in your demo account. Firstly, remember 4 to 5 strategy. You can watch my other YouTube videos to find out strategies that are actually working in real market, and load up those strategies in your mind and switch to your demo account and then make trades. And whichever strategy is giving you more fruitful results, use that strategy. So for today's strategy, we are going to select candles of M1. That means each of these candles are forming in 1 minute time frame. And also, if it is flag at here, make sure to make it clock and select M1 as your trading time frame. So now click on here. So today, the strategy that I'm going to talk is very simple. Okay, you just need to follow the trend. So the trend should be like no any green candle in between. So you need to find a clear trend where all candles are either red or all candles are either green. So if you see that kind of place, so here you can see, here is one point where you can see all candles are red. So now whenever this timer hits 1 second, at that time you need to make trade by clicking on lower, and we are going to make $1,000 per trade. So we need to wait for this timer to hit 1 second, and if this timer is not showing in your chart, then click on here and enable this timer. Okay, in this way, so whenever the timer hits 1 second, you are going to make trade of $1,000. So if you can't make $1,000 trade, you can make trade of $10, $20, whatever dollar you want to make. At this current point, this strategy is working like crazy. So market have fell down. Now one thing you need to remember, okay, there are always chance of trades going in opposite direction. So once you have made the trade, don't get attached to that trade. Now you have made the trade, now that's fine. You don't need to take any headache, any tension on whether this trade will go right or not. Don't do it, don't torture yourself. Okay, just make the trade and be relaxed. So we have like 20 seconds remaining, so we can wait for this trade to close, and then we'll continue to other places to see if we can find this kind of pattern. So this is a working strategy at current time that I have discovered. Okay, here you can see market is again trying to reverse. These things happens while you make trade. Okay, so let's wait, and we made loss in this trade. That's fine. So up to here it was, everything was good. Now from here the reversal has started to happen, so let's leave it. Okay, so now in second place we will find the trade and make the trade of to $1,000, so that we can recover our previous loss and get some profit. Let's see. So here you can see there are few green candles, so you can take risk and make trade in this kind of market also, but it is not recommended by me. You need to find a clear place where you can make the trade, which is not available at this moment, I guess. Let's keep on switching and try to find if there are any places where we can make our trade. So now we'll switch to other currency pair, non-OTC currency pair. So let's find out this 70%, this. So let's see if there are any place where we can make the trade. No, not at the moment. No. Here you can see how what kind of reversal have happened. So let's keep on finding. So I'm trying to find a place where we can make the trade. But at the moment, I am not seeing any entry. So market is trying to go up. Okay. So here you can see now if this timer hits once again, I'm going to make a trade by clicking on higher at here. I'm going to make trade of two trades of $1,000. So let's wait. Okay, I will cut this part of waiting like 30 seconds. So okay, now 7 seconds, 6 seconds, and we are going to make two trades of $1,000. Okay, so let the timer hit 1 second. So I have made trade of $2,000 at here. So let's wait and see what happens in this trade. So if you are in a hurry, you can do fast forward. It's your choice. But I'll let it play so that we can enjoy all the movement that this candle is giving. And if you want to watch my another trade where I have shown you another video where I have shown you how I was able to increase my $10 into $2,500 by using a 5-second strategy, you can watch that video. It will appear anywhere at the screen. At the end of this video, you can click on it and watch that video. And that strategy is something that is very simple and it is absolutely great for making good amount of profit. So 9 second, 8 second. So it seems like we are going to make profit in this trade. Here you can see all candles are green. So I'm talking about this kind of trend. Yes, we have made profit. So previously we have made loss. Now we have made profit. So at this moment, I cannot see other places where we can make the trade. So if this candle goes to green, we could make another trade by clicking on higher. Okay, that and this much is the core thing that I wanted to show you in this video. I hope you like this video, and if you want to copy my trades automatically into your pocket option account by using the social trading feature of pocket option, then do join my free telegram channel. Link will be in the first comment below and the description below. So I was thinking to end the video, but it seems like there is a place where we can make the trade. If this candle stays in green and when the timer hits 1 second, I'm definitely going to make trade up. Like we have make $680 profit. Okay, I'll take the risk of that much dollar just for you and make one trade. 1 second was there. You literally just missed the trade. Okay, but I made it. Okay. Oh, let's wait and see what happens in this trade. You can do the fast forward if you are in a hurry, but I'll keep it as it is so that we can enjoy the movement of the candle. There is no any feelings you need to get attached to these movements. Okay, just relax and watch. You have made trade already. Okay, and see how beautifully the candle is going up. Now don't get excited also like you are going to make profit, that kind of thing. Don't do it. Okay, just be relaxed, have a calm mind while doing trade. So 7 seconds, 6 seconds, even in this movement also candle can go in the opposite direction. Okay, so why to get attached with the feeling? So we made the profit. So you're seeing, you're understanding what kind of pattern I'm talking about. This is working at this real time. Okay, so do use this and find out other strategy also which is working in that real time and start to use it to make good amount of profit for yourself. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.